kwamacingwane ukuthi futhi uyofaneka ushaya nje intambo uphi khona nalabo abanye bamplanele ngenye indlela bamgigisa athi uyagijima umacingwane irelay le wathi uyathathela ngejubane kophi bamgiga wayewushaya phansi ngesisu ngazi noma kusazovukeka yini masekunje nali nebhafana baligiga manje ngentambo hey lento yene politiki asazi ukuthi kokwenzani ngoba nala ku NFP asazi abanye bathi bazubani umongameli bathi akubuye ubuholi buka 2019 namhlanje asazi ukuthi futhi iqembu kwakufanele lingayo ukhethweni kuze kushaya 2019 kuze kushaya ngazibani should basireverse iwash bona batibuyela 2019 kodwa ke sifuna basitshele namhlanje o treasure lo we NFP ubaba uSibiya babethe bayaphuma kwi GPU fanele basitshele ubani oyithi abangene njengoba bephuma nje ubani osethi abaphuma fanele sizwe konke lokho ukuthi kusho ukuthi mhlambe kunevumelano engenzekanga ngalapha makusikwa amaqhatha eDebeni ngoba phela ngeke uvele uphume mase bethi khona abangakuboni kahle yini ababeyibone kahle abangasayiboni. We need answers as a nation. We are led by people that are not honest. Politicians are not honest, right? Bayabonga abaningi ukuthi President Cyril Ramaphosa stood against the West, America, wahamba uvulela waya international court wavulela Israel icala ebengakwazi Palestine ukwenza lokho apha ama-Arab nations abengakwazi ukwenza lokho sinenkinga eningabi ze-poverty sisuke siyogaxela le kude kunzima kona into ukucabanga kosopolitiki kuyakudida siphikisa undocumented foreigners in the country. Our neighbors cannot come and cry like I, but we are going to fetch ingane le kude ezinenkinga yokuthi it's a war-torn country, war-torn zone, but they've got neighbors. Why don't they go to their neighbors? Bese bazodlula amazwe angaka baze bazofika la bekhona omakhelwane thina la abanenkinga efanayo. We don't love our own, but asazi ukuthi kungani. Kuyethiwa charity begins at home. We have neighbors with similar problems, but we don't love our neighbors. Lento yepolitiki I can confirm into yamaxoki ukubuya komhlaba eSouth Africa kuskew. Millions of people that fought for the liberation and the total emancipation of a black person are landless as we speak. Umhlaba mawubuya unabanikazi hayi abasuswa abantu kade sebehlala khona besebenza kuona abasuswa kona baphinde bawuthola ubuya sekuthiwa wale trust awubuyi umhlaba kuthiwa wabantu abasuswa. It's a sad reality. So we've got so many millions of black people that are landless and will remain landless. Bayayifanela nje nabantu abama illegal foreigners in this country i-right yabo ukuvota. But if there is anything else abayifunayo, they must work for it. Mase kuba khona abanikwayo ngesilver platter thwanaku okweni. That's it. Wow. Skew policies. Ukuthi ayolungiswa ubani sazi. Sinomasipala la kudliwa khona imali yabakhokhi bentela Busende. Bathi Clerk diverte 1.4 million to his personal account. Lapha elikwa local municipality. Athini ama-councillor khona fanele sichazele. But lento enepolitiki phakathi yadida. Iwona kuphela umdlalo wamaxoki okhona emhlabeni o-official. Asazi ukuthi kuyokwenzakalani. Politicians are the most selfish people you can get in life. You want selfish people? Go to politicians. These are selfish, excuse my language, but they're very selfish. They don't love their own. They in fact hate them. Ibona kuphela abantu abane-license yokuzonda abantu bakubo mase bethi makuthiwa kuyovotwa babathande mase besikhombisa izitho ey'ngekho enga-exist. Mangabe sekuthiwa kuyaboshwa kweba kuthi hayi akwenzeki lutho kona ingoba kumnyama. Hey, lamasela lawo.